friends. This is Bharat and Meena Trivedi.
Varsha and Dilip.
Sapna
and Gaurav Lal.
Suvarna,
Arya,
and Manoj Khari.
Ilanga.
Sejal Desai,
Smita,
and Vivek Chaudaha.
Anjali Desai,
T and Deepak Arora.
Pawan.
and Rinki Agrawal.
Sid.
And Archana Nair.
Danny.
and Rinku Mehta.
And Sunil Kiani.
Priyanka,
And Vinay Kedia.
I'm Johnny Jenkins.
Karen Fincher.
Raj.
and Aradhna Asava.
Together.
We support.
Good afternoon, friends. Here we are, Saturday afternoon. Raj and Anna Asava bringing to you the Hunger Mitao radio show, along with updates on food insecurity in the North Texas area and across the United States. We also share with you on this radio show information on how the Indian American community is unifying to emerge as a big part of the solution to fight hunger, locally and nationally.
Thank you so much for joining us. Our time with you is made possible by Fun Asia, a key partner of ours in this fight against hunger. And Neelam Dave, thank you so much for hosting us during your community roundup hour. Friends, like Raj said, through this show, you will not only get updates on the hunger issue in the USA, but also know of all the ways in which each one of us, in the spirit of give where you live, can continue to make a difference. We can ensure that no one around us goes hungry.
Isn't that a good thought?
Yeah.
To learn more about how this volunteer movement is unifying the impact of the Indian American community in the fight against hunger, please visit ntfb.org/hungermitao for impact we are making in North Texas, and visit hungermitao.org for the impact the community is making across the country. Aradhna, we should share with our listeners why August is an important month for Hunger Mitao.
I'd love to. First of all, August is the month that India won its independence. 10,000 miles away, it seems very appropriate to celebrate this wonderful month by giving where we live, by making our local places better. How cool would it be if we could turn this month into Independence from Hunger Month for communities that we live in? Secondly, August is when kids get back to school after their summer break. Food insecure kids need protein-rich, shelf-stable food, so we made our month-long food drive a peanut butter drive. Due to the pandemic last year and the lingering effects of it again this year, we have turned this peanut butter drive into a funds for food drive so people may donate from the safety of their own homes.
So listeners, please visit ntfb.org/hungermitao and donate any amount you can. Every dollar counts. Our food bank can stretch every dollar into 3 nutritious meals. And please check if your company matches your donation. Several people have signed up to conduct their own fundraisers. If you are interested in doing that, drop us a line through ntfb.org/hungermitao, and our team will help you set up your own fundraising page benefiting North Texas Food Bank. If you'd like to make a donation, you can again do it on the same website.
Raj, we are 7 days into August. And what an amazing 7 days it has been.
My goodness, it was busy.
So busy. We have so much to share with our listeners today. Why don't you start by talking about the book?
Oh, I'll be glad to. Friends, I'm very happy to share with you that a first of its kind anthology on the Indian American community in the US was just published, and it's already, Aradhna, number 1.
It's a bestseller.
Number 1 bestseller. The title of the book is Kamala Harris and the Rise of Indian Americans, edited by Tarun Basu. It's a collection of essays. Each one tells the journey of a prominent contributor of Indian origin. These essays paint a vivid picture of the Indian diaspora in the US. Such deep contributions to our adopted home. And listeners, you'll be excited to hear Hunger Mitao is featured in the essay titled Philanthropy. Yes, it is highlighted as an example of the diaspora spirit of give where you live, about how the Indian American community is now using our numbers, our resources, our talent, skills to unify and organize and become a powerful voice in this fight against hunger.
That was a really wonderful surprise to see, Raj,
Yes.
the mention of Hunger Mitao in that essay.
Well, a little bit more than a mention, entire page where they explain.
Yeah.
It was great.
It was cited as a powerful example. Hunger Mitao's impact is shining the light on the Indian American community. And all this time, word is spreading of the impact the Indian American community is making through Hunger Mitao. We shared last week with our listeners that Hunger Mitao is being launched at Tarrant Area Food Bank on Saturday, August 14th.
That's right, the eve of India's Independence Day.
That's right. We invite you all to register and attend. Let us show up in large numbers to support and enjoy this fun-filled Bollywood-themed event.
Bale bale.
And then we also have a Hunger Mitao launch coming up on October 16th in Detroit at the Gleaners Food Bank.
That is true.
Then we have another launch at New Jersey Food Bank. It's in the works and we will share the date in the near future.
That's
But
right.
we share all this information with our listeners through our website, ntfb.org/hungermitao.
That's right. So we do hope to see a lot of you out there at the Tarrant area Hunger Mitao launch on August 14th. And again, the information is on the website ntfb.org/hungermitao. I believe there'll be light lunch or light snacks. sir?
Definitely snacks.
Yes, definitely. So Hunger Mitao sure is catching attention. This Thursday, Aradhana and I, along with Hunger Mitao Seattle Steering Council members, presented this unique community-driven model and its impact to Congresswoman Pramila Jayapal and Washington State Senator Manka Dhingra. We were amazed at their reaction. We were actually nervous going in,
We were nervous going in.
talking to politicians and not knowing what they were expecting, but they just loved the story and they believed in the story and they think that it needs to be told louder and have offered to make connections and open doors within the community as well as the political arena.
It was indeed very heartwarming, Raj. These amazing leaders were so receptive and inspired. I recall Congresswoman Jayapal saying she was so proud of Hunger Mitao and so very grateful. Their connections will enable us to help further elevate the contributions of the Indian American community.
Yep. It was an amazing week, Aradhana. I kind of felt like we won a gold medal in the Olympics. Olympics going on right now. And gold medal in the Olympics for kindness. And when I say we, I mean we, the Indian American community. You know the song going through my mind right now?
Spill it out, Raj.
Chak de, ho chak de, India.
Of course.
चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए शक दे हो शक दे इंडिया 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 लड़ती पतंगों में भिड़ती उमंगों में खेलों के मेलों में पल खाती रेलों में गन्नों के मीठे में खद्दर में छींटे में ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे तपता वही तो में रंग है आज निखरे और खुल के आज बिखरे मन जाए ऐसी होली रग रग मचल के बोली टस है ना मस है जी जिद है तो जिद है जी घिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही बस करिए कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया
And listeners, we are not done. When it comes to Hunger Mitao happenings, we shared last week NTFB's signature event Harvest is around the corner on September 11th at the Omni Dallas. This year, NTFB celebrates 40 years of serving the community. And this year, Hunger Mitao is one of their major sponsors.
Yes.
Exactly. It's going to be an event you do not want to miss. In fact, I think it's almost sold out. For tickets and sponsorship details, visit ntfb.org/harvest.
And of course, we have, this is new.
Uh-huh.
So I'm very excited to share that we have a Hunger Mitao event coming up. We're calling it the Hunger Mitao Freedom Concert. It's going to be a musical evening benefiting North Texas Food Bank. Ramesh Krishnamurthy, who many of you may have heard, and his friends will entertain us with beautiful ghazals and Bollywood songs on August 28th. We hope to do this in person, but we'll make the call in the coming week based on the latest guidance from CDC regarding social distancing.
So stay tuned about that. Our volunteer shift in collaboration with the Chinese American community's version of Hunger Mitao called Ni Hao on July 31st was a fantastic experience. It felt great to be back volunteering at the food bank. It also felt very gratifying to see the Hunger Mitao model being applied to another immigrant community. In a short 2 months, would you believe, Aradhana, Ni Hao, the Chinese American community, have already enabled 250,000 meals for North Texas Food Bank.
That's
big round for the Chinese American community and the Ni Hao movement.
absolutely.
They truly believe in give where you live. Listeners, we are resuming Hunger Mitao volunteer shifts at North Texas Food Bank. Again, keep a close eye on the Delta variant out there, and we'll keep adjusting as we learn more and as we get CDC guidance. But please continue to check out the website ntfb.org/Hunger Mitao or the group, Facebook group, the North Texas Food Bank Hunger Mitao Facebook group, and you will learn about the next volunteering opportunity. We have one scheduled for August 21st. We hope to see many of you there.
It's very inspiring that the Indian American community is so engaged in helping food banks provide people access to nutritious food. We have become a force.
Yes.
The collaboration and unification is working, and the results are clearly visible. Listeners, if you have just 1 hour to spare each week and would like to become an activist in the fight against hunger, come join us. Be a part of the Hunger Mitao Steering Council for an extremely rewarding experience. This is not a long-term commitment, guys. If you can just do this for a few months, come join us.
Excuse me, I would like to join the council too.
Well. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a radio show crasher here.
Actually, everyone is welcome to the Hunger Mitao Steering Council. But first, tell us a little about yourself, young man, and why do you want to join the Hunger Mitao Steering Council?
My name is Niam. I am 8 years old and going to 3rd grade in North Hills Preparatory School. I have been to the food bank several times and love what Hunger Matau is doing to help kids get food. Do you know I have my own Hunger Matau piggy bank?
Wow, I did not know that.
I save money to give to the food bank to help kids my age.
Really?
And I have stepped up a page with food bank where for my birthday people can actually donate to the food bank instead of presents.
Fantastic.
Wow, that's the way to do it. That is so wonderful, Niam. Do you have any message for our listeners?
Yes. Please support Hunger Matau Month by giving a little from your piggy banks. To the North Texas Food Bank, even $1 can provide 3 meals. That's like a whole day of meals for a kid. You will feel good knowing they can feed hungry people right in our neighborhoods.
Thank you, Niam. We always welcome this type of show crashing.
I am sure someone has a song for this, right, Raj?
Actually, I have a song for the spirit that you and all you youngsters show through your care. And you know what it is? It goes like this. नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है
मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी हमने किस्मत को बस में किया है
नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है
मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी हमने किस्मत को बस में किया है हमने किस्मत को बस में किया है
भोली भाली मत वाली आँखों में क्या है भोली भाली मत वाली आँखों में क्या है
आँखों में झूमे उम्मीदों की दिवाली आँखों में झूमे उम्मीदों की दिवाली आने वाली दुनिया का सपना सजा है आने वाली दुनिया का सपना सजा है
नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है भीख में जो मोती मिले लोगे या ना लोगे जिंदगी के आंसुओं का बोलो क्या करोगे भीख में जो मोती मिले लोगे या ना लोगे जिंदगी के आंसुओं का बोलो क्या करोगे
भीख में जो मोती मिले तो भी हम ना लेंगे भीख में जो मोती मिले तो भी हम ना लेंगे जिंदगी के आंसुओं की माला पहनेंगे जिंदगी के आंसुओं की माला पहनेंगे मुश्किलों से लड़ते फिरते जीने में मजा है मुश्किलों से लड़ते फिरते जीने में मजा है
नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है हमसे ना छुपाओ बच्चों हमें तो बताओ आने वाली दुनिया कैसी होगी समझाओ हमसे ना छुपाओ बच्चों हमें तो बताओ आने वाली दुनिया कैसी होगी समझाओ
आने वाली दुनिया में सबके सर पे ताज होगा आने वाली दुनिया में सबके सर पे ताज होगा ना भूखों की भीड़ होगी ना दुखों का राज होगा ना भूखों की भीड़ होगी ना दुखों का राज होगा बदलेगा जमाना ये सितारों पे लिखा है बदलेगा जमाना ये सितारों पे लिखा है
नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है।
मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी, मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी। हमने किस्मत को बस में किया है, हमने किस्मत को बस में किया है।
नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है।
Friends, we live in a country where support is available for virtually anything. If you need assistance with medical or mental health, please seek help. And if you need food assistance, visit ntfb.org for information on where to get food. If you know of anyone struggling, please help them and help them find the resources. We can help each other through these challenging times.
And as we close our program today, I want to thank you. Thank you for your generosity, for caring about others around you. North Texas's Indian American community, we thank you for caring, for volunteering, for helping organize awareness events, for running food drives, for making donations, for becoming multi-year donors, for giving your time, skill, and for giving in kind. And Phanesia, thank you for becoming a mouthpiece for Hunger Mitao.
It fills me with pride that the Indian American community in North Texas has stepped up to address the hunger issue. Our collective contributions have resulted in almost 12 million nutritious meals through North Texas Food Bank for people in need. And across the USA, Hunger Mitao efforts have enabled more than 35 million nutritious meals. Aradhna, closing in on 40 million meals for Feeding America and its network of food banks.
We look forward, listeners, to your ongoing engagement, and we count on your involvement as we move towards the next milestone of 25 million meals for North Texas Food Bank by the Indian American community.
Yep.
Our mission, friends, is Hunger Mitao. And Hunger Mitao, as you know, is as much about eradicating hunger as it is about unifying the fragmented efforts of our community, focusing it on the humanitarian cause of hunger. Let us come together as the entire Indian American community to show how we engage in any place we call home. We are smart, compassionate change agents who give where we live, so our community benefits from our presence.
Until next week, friends, remember, while we may never be able to eradicate hunger, let us ensure no one goes hungry. Hunger Mitao.
जिसका न कोई संगी साथी, ईश्वर है रखवारा। जो निर्धन है, जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा। प्यार के मोती, प्यार के मोती लुटाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। आशा टूटी, ममता